Wise men speak because they have something to say, fools because they have to say something. बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति बोलते हैं क्योंकि उनके पास बोलने के लिए कुछ होता है. मूर्ख व्यक्ति बोलते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें कुछ कहना है या बोलना है. So a very cheerful morning to everyone. This is Pradeep Singh here. Again I welcome you all at my YouTube channel English with Pradeep sir. So in this video we are going to discuss some instructions during assembly time in the school. This is part 1. After this I shall take 3 or 4 more parts in which thoroughly we shall discuss more sentences. So as we all know, morning assembly is essential in all the schools. It fosters discipline, motivation, confidence, values, morals in all the students. It helps to build a routine for the school students and faculty members. Moreover, it promotes a healthy culture through multiple activities or modes of teaching. So the teacher should be very cautious, very careful during assembly time. This is the right time where we can infuse enthusiasm, zest and zeal among the students to work energetically throughout the day. So let us begin here. Some are the sentences here. Be quiet. Listen attentively. Face the flag. Face towards the flag. Fold your hands. Join your hands. Bow your head. Bend your head slightly. Bow सिर झुकाना सम्मान में, respect में. Pay respect. Maintain silence. Stand still. Be attentive. Take a deep breath. Be respectful. Show discipline. Greet the flag. Follow the instructions. Stay in line. Be orderly. Be in order. Maintain decorum. Decorum is suitable or appropriate behavior of the student. Shistachar. Offer your prayers. Show reverence. Reverence सम्मान. कोई भी हमारा पूजनीय होता है, our elders are there, our ancestors, forefathers are there, relatives are there, so we use reverence word for them. Respectable, पूजनीय. Stay focused. Express gratitude. आभार. कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करना. Express gratitude towards the flag, towards your ancestors, towards your teachers, towards the nature. For everything we need to express gratitude. Have a positive attitude. We need to be optimistic. Show unity. Observe silence. Follow the anthem. Respect the ceremony. Whatever ceremony is being conducted during assembly time or in activity hall, we must respect. Stand respectfully. Participate actively, energetically. Show appreciation, commendation, praise, admiration. Reflect on the day ahead. आगे के दिन पर विचार करो. Think over it, ponder over it. In humility. विनम्रता, humility, politeness, kindness. Stand with pride. Offer your best. Honor the tradition. Behave responsibly. Remember our values. Show humility. Greet the day with enthusiasm. Embrace diversity. गले लगाना, स्वीकार करना किसी चीज़ को, accept करना. Embrace diversity. So we are having several students from different regions or religions. So we should have proper regard, honor for every religion or every place. So embrace diversity. Share positive vibes. Follow the rules. Offer your prayers silently, calmly. Stand as one. Be united. Sing with gusto. Gusto is enthusiasm, josh, zest and zeal. Stand tall. ऊंचे होकर खड़े रहो. Stand straight. Embrace the moment. whatever moment we are experiencing, we should enjoy that. Stand for what is right. सही के लिए खड़े रहो. Be mindful of others' beliefs. दूसरों के जो विश्वास हैं उनको हमें ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. Sing in harmony. मेल मिलाप के साथ गाओ. Peacefully, collectively, in unison. Stand respectfully during the prayer. Bow your head in reverence. सम्मान में, श्रद्धा के अंदर सिर झुकाओ. Keep your focus. अपने ध्यान को बनाए रखो. Participate with zeal. जोश के साथ में, उत्साह के साथ में participate करो. If any activity is being going on, or if they are singing prayer, national anthem, so they should be zeal, enthusiasm. Offer your thanks silently or with clapping. It depends on the situation. Respect the flag. Remember the sacrifices. बलिदानों को याद करो. Our forefathers, ancestors, freedom fighters, social reformers, many people, they sacrifice their lives. We should honor those. We must express our reverence towards them. Stand with gratitude. Listen to the announcements carefully. Reflect on the national anthem. राष्ट्रगान पर विचार करो. Stand united. Be grateful for the day. दिन के लिए आभार रखो. Offer your thoughts to the day ahead. Offer your thoughts to the day ahead. आगे के दिन के लिए अपनी भावनाएं दो. Express your thoughts, views, opinion for the coming time. What we are going to do, what we have planned. Show appreciation for the opportunity. अवसर के लिए प्रशंसा दो. Whatever opportunity we get to stand before the assembly, to speak before them, it enhances our confidence level. So we must not miss the chance if we get the chance to speak before the assembly. Stand with hope. आशा के साथ खड़े रहो. Stand as a symbol of unity. एकता का प्रतीक के रूप में खड़े रहो. Stand tall for your beliefs. अपने विश्वासों के लिए ऊंचे होकर खड़े रहो. Offer a silent prayer for the day. Stand with grace. शान के साथ खड़े रहो. Gracefully. Stand with honor. Stand with dignity. Stand as a testament to our values. Testament क्या होता है? हमारे जो प्रमाण, किस चीज़ की testimony, हमारे मूल्यों का प्रमाण बनाए रखने के लिए खड़े रहो. So whatever values, ethics we are having, we must respect that, and that must reflect through our behavior, through our conduct. Stand with pride in our heritage. So whatever heritage we have, that may be in our religious books, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, should have respect for everything. Stand as a beacon of hope. Beacon क्या होता है? प्रेरणा स्रोत, inspirational thing or person. Stand as a beacon of hope. एक आशा की किरण के रूप में खड़े हो. People would get inspiration from you. You should have that aura, that light, that fragrance, that everybody would get inspiration from you. Stand with strength. शक्ति के साथ खड़े रहो. Stand with resilience. Resilience, patience, धैर्य. Sometimes the assembly goes for long time, so the students must not talk with each other. They should show their resilience. Stand with determination. इरादे के साथ, दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ खड़े रहें. Stand with compassion. Compassion, स्नेह, दया के साथ. Stand with kindness. So we can mold the sentences according to the situation. If we are appreciating any person, then we can say he stood with kindness, he stood with compassion, he stood with determination, he stood with resilience. We should stand with resilience. So sentences can be changed in different form. Stand with integrity. अखंडता और एकता के साथ खड़े रहें. Stand with humility. विनम्रता के साथ, with kindness, with politeness. Stand with gratitude. Stand with generosity. उदारता, kindness. We must showcase generosity, gratitude, humility. All these are the positive traits or characteristics of a human being. We must have good hold over these adjectives. Stand with respect for all. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the next video.